would like to take this very opportune moment to thank all of you, the journalists, all our aspirants who have turned up in large numbers to participate in this vetting exercise. As today, we would like to gladly inform the general public that first and foremost, we are concluding Kampala. So as of today, we shall be left with only a small portion of Kampala Central to be vetted, which shall be concluded tomorrow. So we had earlier on issued out a schedule where we shall be vetting for local government for Wakiso district from the 2nd to the 7th of next month, that is August. So this is how this is what the breakdown looks like. So on 2nd and 3rd, that is in the due course of this particular weekend, on Saturday and Sunday, we shall be vetting Busiro East, we shall be vetting Nansana Municipality and Chadondo County East. And for the next 2 days, that shall be on the 4th and 5th of August, we shall be vetting Makindye Sabagabo, Entebbe Municipality, and finally Kira Municipality. Then the next day, that shall be on the 6th, everyone from Busiro South and Busiro North shall be expected here at the party secretariat to equally be vetted for that day. And on the 7th, it shall be a day for summing up all that we shall have done within Wakiso district. And on that day, we shall then communicate the next course of action that the EMC shall be taking.
Kadinga musanvu tujja kwatugalayo emirimu gyaffe gye tusoose okukola mu Kampala ne Wakiso. Atubabulye program enaabeddako.